Hi everyone, it's Therese. I'm back with my last napkin swap from Happy Mail, Tina and Family. Or is this on your Happy Mail Facebook? I don't know. So I just got my last one in, and this one is from Kim Weatherholt, and she's Metal Scrap and Check here on YouTube. Hey Kim. So this is her napkins. Ooh, this is pretty. I like that. I wonder if, ooh, that's cool. Has a different pattern on each side. Look at that. Oh, I love it. So there's that one. Here's another fall one. I think I only have a couple fall ones in my stash, so that is cool. And then here's a Halloween one. How cool! I love that. That would be cool on an album, a junk journal maybe. That would be so cool. Alrighty, so here is my last entry, or my last napkins for our swap. Thank you, Kim. I appreciate you sending this. I love the napkins you sent, and yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. I'm working on a card for someone, so wish me luck. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.